Okay, here we are at the velocity factor test track, which was made basically to simulate, but not exactly duplicate, because I don't have the right dimensions and everything, the road out where Lance had his accident. As you can see, there's a little incline, then it comes down, then there's a curve, and then it goes on to the next curve in the road. This area right in here is the hazard area that TxDOT built their guardrail to protect against. Okay, now just to prove to you that the track does actually flow, there's no odd bumps or places. Now we do need some road pavement needed here, but just to prove that it does work, here's the vehicle. Test vehicle is a marble, and we'll run it down the track. As you see, it goes all the way to the end. We'll do that again just to verify that we do have a legitimate track all the way to the end. Okay, what we're going to do now is raise the track end here to more accurately represent the steepness of the hill that he came down. I'm going to raise this up like that. Okay, we're going to try it again now. Let's see what happens. Now, watch the marble and see what it goes. Keep in mind, the curve is part of the velocity factor, right? Now what we've done is add the change in the incline, which is the other element. Well, here we go. Okay. Basically, it stayed on the track almost all the way down. We'll do it one more time. It did come off that time too, which is showing we're right at the edge of its tolerance for this thing. Okay, what we're going to do now, we're going to place this piece of wood right there, which simulates that's just about where TxDOT put its guardrail. Okay, let's try it again. Let's see what happens. As you see what happened, ball came off the track. If you notice, the guardrail moved, which means it hit it. Do it again. Hit it again. That pop you heard was Lance hitting the end cap. Okay, what we're going to do now is move the guardrail forward, which is what we are saying needs to happen. Okay, to encompass the curve, taking away that element of the velocity factor acceleration. So here we go again. What happened? All the way down the track, no problem. Try again. No problem. I'm not sure it actually hit it. If it did, it just barely glanced it. So let's raise the altitude a little bit more so we have a little more acute incline. Let's see what happens now. All you got to do basically is just move this little thing forward. Now we've got more incline. Hang on a second. Now we'll try it. Let's see what happens. Went all the way down the track. Let's move the guardrail back once again to where TxDOT has it built. Now with this added altitude, let's see what happens. Pow! Hit it again. So, not scientific, of course, but it does rudely, or crudely I should say, well rudely actually, demonstrate just a little difference in this angle up here creates more velocity, in other words acceleration, and drives the vehicle off the track. That time the guardrail was a little too far forward. Here we go again. Pow. Move the guardrail up where we say it needs to be. If you notice, it hit it. You saw it hit the guardrail, which is okay. But the guardrail did its job. It kept the vehicle on the road. One more time. Did it again. Well, there you have it. Not conclusive evidence, but a piece to the puzzle.